help, right?
Kuya Ate, pwede dalawa?
Ang star dreamer na si Camille ay mukhang hirap makaakyat. Habang ang housemate na si Lou ay tila nakakauna na sa kanya. Si Mary Grace ang sunod na umakyat sa tulong ng ibang lalaking housemates.
Wait! Lolo! Girl, put your foot in my hand. And push up. Pull!
Ate!
Hawak sa kahoy! Hawak sa kahoy, Grace!
Go, ate, go, ate.
Move, Grace!
Wait!
Go!
Wait!
Break!
Ate, ate, hold. Nice!
Hold the rope!
Mahirap sa akin tapos pilit kong pinupush yung medyo mabigat talaga yung katawan ko. Kaya naging sobra po akong happy kasi nga may teamwork talaga kami doon na alam kong tinulungan talaga ako ni Andre yung mga lalaki namin, Kuya ni Hanip, para maiangat ako.
Kung nahihirapan si Mary Grace, ang star dreamers ay sunod-sunod nang nakatawid.
I went into this state where I was gonna help everybody get over as fast as I could and as best as I could, like just to support the team, get them all over.
Come on, Ranger! Use your foot on my knee! My left knee! Your left leg!
Nang makaabot sa tuktok si Mary Grace, ay siya namang pagtawid ng muling star dreamer na si Mark.
Ate, hawakan mo yung rope. Go, ate, hawakan mo yung rope.
Sama-sama.
Sa pag-alis ng star dreamers ay patuloy pa rin sa pag-akyat ang ibang housemates. Hanggang sa paakyat na rin ang muling housemate na si Andre. Subalit,
Yung mga nakatawid na, may tumulong! My arms!
And I just didn't know what to feel, but for one thing, I wasn't gonna give up. I know that.
Hold him!
My arms!
Okay. Go, Andre!
pinipilit ni Andre labanan ang ngalay, ngunit
My arms are dead. They're dead. I have no grip in my fingers. One more. You can do it. Come on. Keep going. Inhale. You can do it. Come on. Go.
Push yourself, Andre.
Do it, Andre. You can do it. Focus.
Yeah.
Bro.
Yes. Yes.
Focus.
You
can do it.
Go.
Come on.
Andre, you can do it. Come on. Just keep up.
Strongly the mind. Come on. Positive mental attitude. Come on. Solid the mind.
pero si Andre ay patuloy pa ring lumalaban.
Come on.
Go, Andre. Go. Grab.
Come on. Come on, bro. Just breathe, man. Breathe. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale.
Go.
Go.
I know you can do it, bro.
Pull.
Pull.
Pull, everybody. Pull.
Go, bro.
Pull. That's it. Go. Yes, yes. Pull.
Other hand, Andre. Go. Got it. One more. Go. Other hand.
Pull. Yes,
There you go. There you go. It's okay. It's okay. Andre, it's okay.
You got this. Look at me. Breathe. It's okay. Breathe. Andre, this is just the one challenge. Yes, just one challenge. After this, Andre, we finish. You're the person.
Wait, Andre.
We are with that.
Remember, we always win. Okay?
We're so proud
Remember that. Just remember that.
Not ashamed, man. Not ashamed. Yes, you help everyone.
We didn't lose. We learned something.
Double time. Double time. Double time. Nakatime tayo. Double time. Double time. Right, go. Dito.
Si Andre mukhang patuloy pa rin pinanghihinaan ng loob habang ang kagrupo niya na si Mark ay mukhang may naisip na paraan upang makatulong.
Come on, stop!
Let me breathe. It's okay, Mark.
Go, pwede! Go!
Honey, go down there.
Come on, pwede! Go! No, pwede kanyang tulungan. Go! That is teamwork. Come on!
Kaya mo yan! Kaya mo yan, bro!
Push! Go! Go! Nice! Go! Yes! There you go!
Water.
Para sa rifle challenge, ang wounded member ang magpe-perform. Kailangan niyang paputukin ang 4 na lobo ng magkakasunod-sunod.
Take your position.
You are ready.
Yun ang kinakatakutan ko, kuya, kasi nanginginig po yung kamay ko.
Matapos makatawid ng lahat, ang housemates ay hindi na nag-aksaya pa ng oras at agad na humabol.
Let's go. Honey, don't keep... Yes.
Okay. Ready, go! Left! Jack! Okay, to move with the group.
Sobra, parang sabi ko lang, concentrate ka, tutukan mo, and alalahanin mo yung sinabi ng leader mo. Kasi sabi niya sa'yo, mag-trust ka sa kanya. So, sincere po yung naging trust ko kay Kuya Aljur.
Ari na kayong tumungusay.
Thank you, sir. Nice.
Kailangan talaga naming bilisan pa kasi nahuli na talaga po kami sa time na yon.
That was one of the reasons why we fell behind on time. I couldn't get over that wall.
Nalungkot po talaga kami, kuya, kasi alam po namin yung minutong agwat namin sa kalaban, mga Sardimers.
Ready?
Stop. Ready to embark.
Ready?
Embark.
1, 2. Ready?
Proceed in front and take your position.
Si Fumiya tila may alinlangan sa kanyang challenge.
Flat on the ground, Fumiya. Align the rear side.
Stable your body.
Just realize we're wasting our breath. He can't hear us.
Umiya po, nakakontacts po nung time na yun. So, yung wind po yan, ang lakas, tapos nagdadry, tapos gumaganon po yung contacts.
When go there, so nervous.
Sa rifle challenge, hinarap ni Fumiya ang hamon ng kaba at pagkairita ng mata dahil sa natuyo ang contact lens.
And when firing a rifle, you need to keep your eyes wide open most of the time. So I was sort of worried. Dust could have gotten in his eye easier. The eye irritates a lot pag may contact lens.
Just pull the trigger.
So nervous. Pero I get the gun. My nervous is already gone.
Si Fumiya naman po kasi calm naman talaga. Parang tinanong pa namin, if you want us to cheer, ganun-ganun. Sabi niya, no, it's okay, I'm gonna do it.
Continue. Ako pupunot. Kim!
Pang. 4 na bullets, tsaka 4 na balon po yung tinamaan niya po, kuya. The best sniper po, Fumiya ng time na yan po, kuya.
Ocho!
Matatag! Ocho!
Matatag!
Hindi naman yun mahihit successfully if hindi niya inaral lang mabuti at hindi niya finamiliarize talaga yung proper positioning, yung pagiging stable po ng katawan niya. Humanga po ako sa kanya that time.
Susunod!
You okay?
Okay.
Don't worry to me.
Okay.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Guys, it's hard for her to lift because mayroong pointed object. Set sila ni Fumia.